Hello, I'm Tony.
And I'm Art.
And we're from
GardenMastersWithAZ.com.
In today's video, Art's going to show you a summer planter on our deck and how easy it is to transform that into a fall container garden. In fact, it's so easy, you can do it in less than 5 minutes. If you like our videos, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because we love helping more and more people have beautiful gardens.
Leaves are falling. Here's our breakfast spot in the morning. And this planter earlier in the season had a lot of glory to it. It had a fuchsia plant in the center that was a reddish orange, maybe orangish yellow. We had a couple petunias, a new variety this year, that were an orange color, sort of variegated. Anyways, so these verbena really went downhill on our last vacation. They didn't get enough water. We have an automatic irrigation system, but I said, let's give them a chance because aren't they pretty?
They are.
So to make it even easier, keep in mind when you're planting your summer annuals, you might want to select some plants that will blend in with your fall planter. Example, celosia.
The nice red on celosia goes well in the fall. In addition, marigolds with their classic yellow flowers go well in the fall. Plus, lantana is also a good choice.
We're prolonging the season a little bit. Give a little bit of joy to your breakfast. And let's add a pop of color. Very easy, inexpensive too. So we are just going to pull out petunia.
Oh, just throw it in the garden below, Art.
You have the hole. Pop it in. Pull this one out. Pop it in. And you just want to have some Pop-Tarts. So, anyways, it's pretty simple, but it adds a little color and a little joy to the breakfast. Oh, what the heck. I think it needs just a little bit more color.
Me too.
Let's just add a couple boards. Okay.
I think the one on the left needs a little bit, you can see it a little better. It needs to be, you can't, it's kind of hidden there.
It's okay.
There we go. And there you have a nice little fall planter. And the table goes back. And now we have a nice little area.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, look at what you're doing. And there's one more chair right here. Beautiful little breakfast nook, wouldn't you say? Well, I say. And what do you say, Art?
I say, come to breakfast.
And I say, if you really want fantastic and more elaborate ideas for creating fall planters from scratch instead, you need to check out this video next.